Hey everybody, welcome. What we're looking at now is a module from a really well laid out Canvas course. This is from our own Ascending with Canvas course created by Brian Fendrick, who obviously knows what he's doing. Let's take a look at this module and see what little things he's done to help make the material easier to navigate and understand. First thing you'll notice is module heading here at the top. Descriptive for what we're doing for that point. The next thing that's important that Brian did is his numbering system helps us to know where we are as we navigate through the module. You can see easily where we're going based on the numbering system alone. The next thing we want to look at is how Brian has used indenting to help us to understand. So these major topics, these text headers that he's inserted here, help to break up the content into smaller units, and they're justified fully to the left. And then as we look down through the material, we can see from the icons whether we're seeing a quiz or a page, for example, or an assignment, which is shown here. And the assignments, as you can see, have been indented, so that when we come to an assignment, we can tell, oh, here comes some work we're going to do. And the final parts where we're looking at claiming our badges and so on, those are also indented. So as you're looking at fully left and right justified, you can tell what things are subsets of major topics that come before. So numbering, indenting. He's also included these, as we mentioned, text headers to break up the content and make it easier to navigate, to know where we are in the materials as we proceed through that Canvas course. Hopefully this will give us all some ideas on how we can improve the navigation of our modules so that our students will have an easy time understanding what we're trying to teach. All right, thanks for joining us, and I hope that video was beneficial.